Sa 8th day po, nag-iba yata ng konti. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids a milking. Milking cows, di ba? Ibig sabihin nun? 8 babae, milking cows. Ito po yung 8 Beatitudes. Blessed are the poor in spirit. Blessed are the meek of heart, the humble, the lowly. Blessed are those who are pure of heart. Blessed, blessed, blessed. Diba? Pag nakuha mo ang gatas mula sa mga baka, ang mga bata, pinapaiinom mo ng gatas na yan, they feel blessed kasi meron silang pagkain, meron silang iinumin. So therefore, sana we live the Beatitudes that are given to us by the Gospel of Matthew.